Most guys think beard growth is genetic, but that's only half the truth. If your beard is patchy or slow growing, you might be making these 5 mistakes that are literally stopping your beard from growing. No, shaving every week doesn't make it grow faster. That's a myth. First, boost your testosterone naturally. If you're sleeping 5 hours, eating junk food, and not training, your beard will struggle to grow. Lift weight, eat eggs, meat, nuts, and sleep at least 7 hours. Your hormone control beard growth. Second, increase blood flow to your face. Massage your beard area for 2 minutes every day or use a beard roller. Why? Because it is going to help a lot. Better circulation is equal to more nutrients reaching the hair follicles, which make it grow faster and easier. Try these for 30 days and you will notice a big difference. And also, if you want male glow up tips, self improvement, and psychology, hit subscribe because I post videos like this every day.